guys, check out our chart this morning here. This is our B4 trading system featuring the B4 algo here. We got our brackets here. We're fixing to get a breakout buy here. We laid this out early in the morning. This trade, first thing. Our brackets are dynamic support and resistance right now for the present time frame. Here we are, we're getting a breakout buy. It hasn't confirmed yet. Breaking the top of that bracket. Our candle color strategy is painting the candles green here. You see the B4, the free indicator. You can get that in the link below. It's available on TradingView, on Thinkorswim, also on NinjaTrader. We're pushing through the long breakout right here. Keeping a line pulled on that. What we do with our B4 indicator, we watch this histogram right here. We notice when we get to one of our major levels, we have a line pulled on that. When if this B4 trend line right here turns dark green, that's where we exit our position. You can see the size of the candles has kind of slowed down right here. We have a wick right there, so we're watching it really close. Keeping an eye on that histogram right here as it's dark green. Watching that in relation to the top band here on our lower B4 indicator. Now we are at resistance here with our brackets, and at a major level here at with our levels. And we're crossing right here. This is the perfect place for us to take. There's our signal. There's a perfect place for us to take profits. Thank you for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day. It hasn't turned dark green yet, but I expect it to lock in with a dark green color here. There it goes. That was the perfect place to take profits, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like more content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel.